if you watch me live for Wazobia TV, my name is MC Shaggy, son of your street yarns. Live now at the studio for Barriga, and they tell you, still on the Martash and the 195 Wazobia TV. Street yarns, making not touch the die. Simple question this one, very simple question, very funny question. Why be say, and they won't ask, the question they asked me to ask. But the team is say, but I must ask, so the team is say, sex, that is knocking, and love for relationship. Which one you prefer? If the woman or the man sabi run things well, and the woman or the man just loves you, which one you prefer? So love and sex, which one you prefer? Still on the matter, street yarns of Wazobia TV, making out of them. Madam, why do you open your mouth? Why do you open your mouth? Why you can't hungry with that?
Since morning I check my market, I don't sell anything.
Receive the anointing of sales now.
Amen.
Rekebo, lebo, receive the blessing now.
That is it.
You shall sell.
Amen.
You shall sell before the day run out.
Amen.
And before you go and answer my question so that you can sell. See, madam, what you did there, eh? Love and sex, which one you prefer?
Love.
Love. Even though the man not sabi run things, but major love you.
Yes.
For bed, if you not sabi run now, well, major love you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when I manage to go for them.
No.
You sure?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Make the man love you well.
Make him love me well.
Your husband where they would love you.
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Na lie, no love
He
you.
love me, oh.
Na lie.
I no go lie you. Yeah, if na man what they do connect, I go tell you. But this one is straightforward. Me, I trust that it's tomorrow.
So,
yes.
So you like love than sex?
Yes.
Okay. Well, you know what I mean now?
Why not? I be small picking.
Yeah.
Yes, now.
If you explain now.
Not be here. I go explain that.
No, more than that. The lecture they give to people. All right, yeah, still on the matter, straight chance on Wazobia TV. Making up touch you. Why my sweetheart? No. She don't come out. Mama, how far now? How you doing? My guy, how far? Wazobia TV, good afternoon. Wazobia TV. All right, sorry, this guy now, deaf and dumb. You know if they talk, so he get ear problem. So that's why we just leave him. Bros, how far? Wazobia TV. So what be your name? All right, Steven. If you watch me live now, if you watch me live with Steven, Steve-O, aka Steven Likokus, Steven Pankus. Steven, you know what you do there? Yes, love and sex, which one you prefer?
Love and what?
Love and sex, which one you prefer?
Love.
Love. So you like make you just love. Then when we say the woman not sabi run things for bed.
Love, I prefer love. Sir.
You sure?
That.
What of you know say sex sometimes and they keep. They say now be the saltiness of a relationship.
No, for sure.
For sure. But what of the woman not sabi mix, you not sabi sex?
Why not go sabi?
Why not? You know, no. Choose one. Let me tell you so.
I choose love.
You choose love.
Exactly.
You choose love.
Exactly.
I know they talk well. Guy, bros, love and sex, which one you prefer?
Love and what?
Sex, which one you prefer?
How can you describe sex as this? I prefer love now.
You prefer love?
Yes. Yes, love is better than sex. What is sex? Sex is ordinary, casual something.
No.
But
Somebody.
love is a divine something.
This guy don't swear this thing now. Nah, lie. See what I mean here? If the woman when they date now, it's a bit wrong things where for bed, you enjoy her and you not gonna love you. But she love you, but she not sabi run things. Which one you prefer?
Well, my wife. I'm married.
Yes.
By special grace of God. My wife loved me. But I prefer love. Because sex is something that we can aspire at any moment. But love is divine, something that will take you a long way.
This guy is speaking from the spiritual angle. He's speaking from the spiritual angle. And I'm not taking lightly with him. Yeah, bros, after now, day. Love and sex, which one you prefer? Shit for me. Love and sex, which one you prefer?
I prefer love.
Prefer love?
Yes.
So you go like just love, even though the woman not sabi run things for bed.
I prefer love because.
You sure?
Now love go you to sex now.
No, see, choose one. Choose one. I not go agree. Love and sex. The lady sabi run things well for bed, but he don't love you. But the lady not sabi run things at all, but she love you. Which one
I
you
prefer love.
You prefer love. Guy. What
Nah, love.
na love, abi?
Love.
Guy.
Prefer.
But the guy say he prefer sex.
There be that.
Happy?
Na true talk I dey tell you now.
Because if sex not too good, the marriage go scatter.
Yes, now.
And woman go dey go shit on you.
You know say brother, you know say if they treat am wella for bed, you no go comot now.
How for you?
No be for your own side.
Abi o, what of you? If na you come. Abi you sure? You know how to talk. If na you come.
Love.
You prefer love?
Yes, I
you
prefer
sure?
love, yes.
So you know one guy when they say
I
go dey run
prefer
things
love,
well.
I beg, I don't want.
Which tribe you be?
Eh?
Which tribe you be?
Which way?
Which tribe you be? How far now? You prefer love or sex?
I prefer sex o, brother. Sex na best thing in the life. If you no give woman sex, dem no go love you. Woman nowadays.
Because you don't do am well, dem go go
You
shit for
see,
outside.
na so, but love no dey at all. These days, so no love.
I even hear say love die for lagoon.
You don die for lagoon for healing like campus shot.
Love campus shot abi.
Me I no lie for you. Inside campus for that lagoon, love don follow that water go.
Follow the water.
But na sex dem dey talk now. Give dem sex well. Make God come give you this thing wey we dey talk. God o, Chimo, hey. All those girls dem go love you die. I dey yarn you the truth, brother. But if you no dey give dem go go marry another guy. But na the thing wey dem want be that. Yeah, I tell
Dem go dey
you.
shit on you anyhow.
Na so, but if you dey give dem one more, hey,
Waka.
Jesus
Dem go dey
Christ.
remember you, go
Dem
dey
go,
their memory.
even dem leave you, dem go still dey remember that sex. Make God come give you say na you give this virgin dem. Oh, Jesus Christ. Dem no go forget you, my brother. Oh, shield this thing.
Yeah. Wazobia TV. Make you not touch. Now they change slippers. How far? How na dey? How na dey? How na dey? This is Wazobia TV. Yeah, sit down. Yeah, climb up. Yeah, climb. You can see all these guys that they form too much of forming. Now that they enter one Okada. Make I ask you one thing, love and sex, which one you prefer?
I prefer love now.
You prefer love?
Yeah.
You don't prefer the one you say you dey run things well for bed? What if you know dey run things well, you can't go shit on you?
I person go prepare front things on the bed. It's not.
My brother, how sure you prefer?
Well, I prefer love, sure.
Bro, sort of.
Say love.
Allah, you don't know anything. The cocoa inside. You don't know the cocoa inside. My guy, have fun. Good afternoon. Now you dey sell yeah. How much they sell these your glasses?
200, 500.
Make I ask you one thing, Now Wazobia TV, they watch you live, oh. Now your guy be this, Abi. Now your guy. No. Now your guy be this. Oh, now your brother.
Anyone.
Yeah?
3 members.
You are 3 members.
3 members.
Okay, now they dance. Okay, I don't see you now for a leg. They right dance for a leg. Yeah, that's how we will have it. All right, crew members, which crew be that? Turn back, this is Wazobia TV. Advert, man advertising a crew. Come.
As the hot. Now fixed crew they talk, you know. As the
Fixed
hot.
crew.
Fixed crew. FIX. Faith
crew.
inspired expression, you know.
Okay, now.
We hold the street, we hold the gospel.
You hold the screw, you hold the gospel.
No, be Ross, cool down.
I tell you, sir, the
We
hold.
hold, wait now, let me see. Faith inspired expression.
Okay.
You understand? Live, you understand? We're talking about the street gospel, you understand? We go Bible, we go international. So
So you go international. Allah Baba. Have you gone to international? Where have you gone to Cotonou? All right, still on the street here on Wazobia TV. My name is MC Shaggy. Making I tell you that. Back there, still on the matter. Love and sex, which one you prefer? Back there, if man they run things well for bed, which one you prefer? If man not they sabi run things well and they just love you, which one you prefer? Still on the matter. Wazobia TV, bro, which one you prefer?
Now, man, they run this way.
Man when they run things well.
Yeah.
No, now this lady I supposed to ask. How far now?
Hello.
Man when they run things well.
No. I prefer love, actually.
They say and they prefer love so that tomorrow you go shit on the guy. So you like prefer love and you prefer
Both of them, sha.
both of them.
Yeah.
No, you must choose one. Like this woman now, the woman choose love. And I make her day like that too. The husband will go around, they pure, but the husband they give her love.
Okay, I choose love.
You choose love.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes.
You sure say you choose love?
Yes.
All right. Okay then. Fish. All right.
I beg.
Which one? All right. How far now?
Brother, they are full
Yeah. Woman when they run things well for bed. I don't know they run things well for bed, but the love which one you prefer?
Well, they say they run things when I love.
Eh.
No, no,
So that if you run things
Make it. I think I can.
No,
No, I know.
if you not do when I call they go shit on you.
That can see now. I know say.
But you sabi run things.
I sabi you, my brother.
You sure?
No sabi like one. I sabi now.
So all your ways now spring.
Nah, like one that.
Hey, y'all think right now? Come on, this guy say like when they run things, you they lock love. I tell you. Forget that.
Na Bajola,
What you do?
Bajola.
This one at Chicago.
What you?
No.
What is that?
What you be? All right, still on the street channels on Wazobia TV. My name is MC Shaggy, making not tell you that. Like this. I don't ask them. So many people, their reactions. This somehow. Good afternoon. I'm late. Mama, good afternoon. This is Wazobia TV. Mama, just 1 minute of your time. I'm not going to steal your time. Just simply because you are mature, that's why I want to throw this question to you. Mama, you have to throw this, you have to answer me. The time we use is standing like for that answer since. For that go. Mama, simple. Love and sex, which one you prefer in the marriage?
Love.
Love, Adi? Love. You sure? Yeah. What of the sex not there that the man going to go shit on you? Mama, answer me. Hey. Which one?
Both.
You prefer both? I don't know, say old woman say go see the shy like this. That's when they bomb, see the shy. She can't see me all this one. I bet may I ask this my short woman job. Madam, good afternoon. Love and sex.
Love.
You sure?
Yes.
What of you, madam?
Love.
You don't like man when they run this way for bed. Man, they run this way for bed, not like her. Shyness. Shyness won't kill them. All right, like this, we take wrap up. Still on the straight channels on Wazobia TV. To the next edition, my name remains MC Shaggy, comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Making all touch that love, sex, both goes together. Love and sex goes together. Because they say sex never the saltiness of a relationship. Yeah. But if your man no fit run things well, advise am, give am, be the technical coach. Be the technical coach. If the woman no fit run things well, na there it easy pass. You as a man, you go be the highest technical coach. You know that kind of thing, still not the matter. Straight up! When Moses locates the rod, locating the Red Sea. Thank you very much.